Aditya Thackeray pushes for the booster shot. Aditya's 3 requests to Union Health Minister in a letter to Mansukh Mandaviya. He makes 3 requests. First, third dose for health workers. Second, reduce vaccination minimum age to 15. Third, reduce the gap between the 2 jabs to 4 weeks. So, Cabinet Minister in the Maharashtra government, Aditya Thackeray, has written to the Union Health Minister on with 3 requests. Santya joining us with more inputs. Yes, Santya, over to you. There's been a lot of discussion within the Maharashtra government, within the ministry, on the issue of booster dose. Now, Aditya Thackeray has taken it up with the central minister. Tell us more about this, please.
See, Afrida, yesterday Mirror Now exclusively reported that how BMC had written to centre government on Friday last week, and BMC had recommended and requested state government that the gap between first dose and second dose, which in case of Covishield is 84, and in both the vaccinations, this particular gap should be reduced to 28 days. This was the request which was made by BMC. A letter was written last week, and BMC is yet to get a response from centre government. But now, Maharashtra's Cabinet Minister Aditya Thackeray, who's also the son of Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, he also has written to Health Minister of the nation, of the country, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, and he has requested, he has actually made 2 points there, Afrida. He has said that first, a third dose, which actually by that he means a booster dose, should be made available for at least those who are frontline warriors, those who are in the medical fraternity. For them, a booster dose should be made available. And also the minimum age for getting a vaccination shot, to take a vaccination shot, should be reduced from 18 years up to 15 years. And if that is done, Aditya Thackeray has said in his letter that if this is done, this is going to ensure that the junior college students and the secondary students are also, they also will come on the ambit of those who are eligible to get a vaccination. That will ensure that these teenagers are also protected against the virus. So this is what he has written to the to the Union Health Minister. Continuously, Maharashtra government is writing letters, is in correspondence with the union government. It all started when Maharashtra government actually requested that central government should consider suspending the flight operations, the flights coming from high-risk and at-risk countries. And letters after letters are being written by whether it's the local body like BMC or the state government or ministers like Aditya Thackeray.
Right, and there's also the issue of how the state believes that it has the supply of doses. Should there be a decision taken for it, Maharashtra is ready to administer those doses. So all of these factors we are tracking very closely. Thanks very much, Santya.